Are you happy in Bulaga? Of course I'm happy. How could I not be? I'm working with very, very good people who are genuine. Opo. Walang ano.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, thank you. Very, very, I don't know what that is. Pero ano.
Sarap.
Great Wall of Bimbi. Why may Great Wall?
Hindi niya po binabakuran. It's just that sweet lang siya. Ay, wag muna tayo mag-accept. Live po tomorrow. Anniversary po ng Itbulaga bukas. Birthday na Itbulaga. Kain po. Wow. Ate Shen, hindi ka kakain? Hindi ka nagugutom?
Hindi.
Ba't ako parang gutom ako today?
Asan na si Jim? Ano yung sa air fryer?
Thank you, Yam.
Gaganon niya yan. Ipa-fry niya kaya to?
Air fryer. Baka ba? Hindi pa ako stay in. Good evening po sa inyo. Chicken tsaka sinigang na bangus belly. Kain lang ako, so uwi na ako. Kasi untok na po ako. Wanna say hi?
Hi! Asan po si Bim? Right here!
Bim, ang pogi niyo, Papa
Ba't
Jack.
may
mo,
filter?
man. Walang filter.
May filter, oh!
Wala.
Okay. Whatever you say.
Ay, ang dami kong tigyawa to. You wanna eat chicken? You want chicken?
Okay. I will ano lang. Wash hands.
Lahat?
Hi daw, Mr. No Fear.
Why no fear?
Yung shirt, yung ano mo, sweatshirt mo, no fear.
Really? Kanina?
Oo.
I didn't read it.
Na-realize mo nga lang ito tapos na eh.
Opo, nakaano din yung gawin. Basta kung
Ang-
lahat ng galaw din eh.
Hindi cute nga nun eh. Sinindihan mo na, amoy ano na. Ano nyo?
Hindi ko lahat.
Oo, wag puro hi, send din yung stickers. Si Riza po ay nasa bahay niya po. Wala po dito. Hindi naman po sila mag-asawa.
Kuya, I can remove na my glasses. Kasi I have a pimple po in my ear.
Tigyawat sa ilong.
Tigyawat, hindi ka na mag-iisa. Tigyawat.
Maglalay din ako.
Oo nga eh, may filter eh.
Wala nga. Ito, lalagyan natin ng filter. Oh. Karap, 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 karap. Na lang. Ayan. Amor, thank you sa sticker. Yee.
Thank you, Ma'am Amor. And thank you, Ma'am
wait.
Tin.
Wait, papayabangan ko si Bim. Wait lang, wait. Papayabangan ko to. Palakpakan tayo for Amor.
Streamer na po talaga.
Judy and Shim. Woo!
Streamer na po talaga si Papa Jack.
Risa Kinelli.
Ano?
Tingin.
No. Iba
Yeah.
there's, high five nga. What's the other word for high five?
Appear.
Appear.
Yeah.
Di ba pinsan yan ng mansanas? Cause it's a pear.
Ilagay ko dito ah.
Yes, please. Thank you. Ano ba mga bala ko kanina?
Knock.
Wala na, hala. I need more bala po. Joker si Bim. Knock na yan.
Come back to me. Come back to me, knock knock. Come back to me. Uy,
Kulit mo kanina, Bim. Of course.
come back to me. Wala, dead ma.
Ha? Dry ng lips ko. Hindi ako nag-lip balm.
Masyadong chika, sticker.
I had a good day today.
And that's you.
I had a good day today.
Ako, kakain ako ng marami ngayon.
Oh, I had a good day today. Ano?
Hindi ka pa nga kumakain buong araw eh.
Hindi. Ako, I just made, collect the writers lang. Kanta ka ba bukas? I don't know. Let's see.
It's for you to find out.
Pahingi ilong pops.
See, it's natural, di ba?
Yeah, in fairness naman, what's your fan,
Dabber cards din.
In fairness naman, mga Dabber Cats, si Papa Jack talaga, even when he was a bit bigger, matangos talaga ilong niya. Even when he was, 250 ka.
Uy!
Na
200
most.
lang.
No, most.
Ka na-
250. O yan. When Papa Jack was 250 pounds, imagine mo, not super big, a bit hefty.
Kinigtok.
Pero pogi.
Pero sobrang tangos ng ilong niya.
Pero po,
That's the Salvador side. What made my day good? I hung out with Yul today. Kasi he's always in barangay eh. Yeah, I hung out with him today.
And pinaglaruan po ako ni Bim ngayon.
Oo. Paano na? Tandem kami today, tandem. Ako si Batman, siya si Superman.
Ako si Wonder Woman.
Kasi tandem kami for the Gimme 5. It was one section me and Yul, and then the other section was Singing Queens. Yeah. So mga hindi na me?
Papa Jack, pasuyo. Nakalinit.
Sa mga people who don't know, Yul such a good guy. Good guy talaga. Pusong Pinoy talaga, si brother.
Bagay kami siya.
Papa Jack.
Joke lang.
Relax.
Joke lang. We were making bakod daw kanina.
Oh, no.
Hindi.
I was just leaning.
Ano po yun? Talagang yun yung pagiging sweet ni Bim. Kahit kanina naman, sweet naman siya eh. Pero siya na po ngayon yung bagong kasama sa 7 Wonders of the World.
Tsaka I think Yul is happy also na we're similar in age eh. Paano siya si Yul? 20-something?
Not sure.
24. So like 5-year age
Kasama
gap
ka sa
lang.
alam mo ba kasama ka sa 7 Wonders of the World?
Why?
Ikaw yung Great Wall of Bimbi. Joke lang.
No, he's a very good guy. 27 si Yul. Yeah, so 10 years. Like isa kuya.
Tsaka si tropa mo si Ruel, di ba?
Oo. Hello, Kyla. Hi.
Oo. Masyadong chika, walang sticker.
Opo, para Papa Jack is happy. Ang fresh Bim. Yeah, walang filter. Walang filter.
Thank you, team. Gusto mo may filter? Kaya ko naman.
What's kiss? It's like that
Very
lang
nice.
pala.
Para sunod na, pero di ba?
Hindi pa naman.
Sinong manager mo, Bimbi? Ako road manager.
For 13 years.
You would like to thank
Jack Salvador for being my constant companion through this very, very, very interesting journey.
I-edit niyo yan, ha? Charot.
Oh,
Mentality niyo yan. Charot.
Great Wall of Bimbi. Why may Great Wall?
Hindi niya po binabakuran. It's just that sweet lang siya. Huwag muna tayo mag-accept. Pengin mo ng stickers.
Ba't ang gwapo mo, Bimbi? Why am I so gwapo? I was born this way. I'm just joking. Tulog po. Tulog. Sleep, sleep,
Kaya
and
pala
sleep.
wala akong tulog, so I need to sleep. Pero sana may magkapadala ng stickers pa.
Bim, please don't, ano? I will never.
Oh, stickers, thank you. Nakita mo minsan may mga magbabagsak dyan yung malalaking stickers yung gagalaw. Shoutout natin yun.
Are you happy in Bulaga? Of course I'm happy. How could I not be? I'm working with very, very good people who are genuine. Opo. Walang ano.
Oh, thank you!
Oh, thank you. Very, very, I don't know what's the truth. Pero ano, thank you. So ano nga ulit? I'm working with very, very good people na hindi peke. Na they're real, genuine people who, you know, who truly love one another. Pamilya eh. They're like a family talaga. And I'm very, very glad that I was a part of that family.
May bago pong kantang lalabas si Bimbi, abangan nyo. Ang title, Huling El Bimbi.
Nakailang ganyan ka na.
Wala na akong maisip.
Oh! Ang galing! Wait, it might be sunog na. May lechon.
Oh, may tumawa pa naman sa Huling El Bimbi. Grabe naman kayo sa akin.
One more minute.
O sige, kung di Huling El Bimbi, ano na lang. Ano?
And imagine nyo po, Bulaga has been on for 47 years.
And you were part of the 47th.
And I was part, so it's a very big honor po na ganyan talaga. Happy birthday, Jelly! Happy birthday.
Si Bim hindi,
Hey!
si Bim hindi po kumain, binigay niya sa akin yung food niya. Sweet. Tapos ngayon pala siya kakain.
Rybim Official, shout out. Bimbi, how Raisa? Raisa's okay. She had a bit of a cough today.
May sakit siya kapong pa yata or the other
Yeah.
day.
Under the weather, alam mo naman po na
Ati tayo Bims dito sa sa.
I'll get a full one.
Hindi ko kaya ubusin, please.
No, you eat that one. It's healthy.
Later, I'll eat pa eh.
Okay na to, Bill?
Yeah, that's perfect na. Thank you, Ate She. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Ay, ang sarap na saging.
Kain ka. Kain ka pa ba? Wow.
Ang sarap ng saging pala. Akin na lang ulit.
Okay, go. You need that. You're, ano, out your tummy.
Are you excited for tomorrow? O, pengin mo ng sticker bago sagutin. Ayan, ang daming tanong ha. Ano lang kami, scroll lang kami. Pag marami, ang hirap basahin na nakakahon.
Ang tumasin.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Yung first meal mo yan, no?
Lechon tsaka manok. Hainanese chicken po.
Oh, thank you!
Thank you for the star.
Tingnan natin kami magbabagsak pa ng mga... thank you, yung malalaking ano.
Ay, hindi malutong, Ate She.
Ay, hindi.
Oo.
Tapos tap
Saan?
tayong ganun. Maraming tap. Tsaka Virgin, Tin, thank you.
Ano pa? 3 minutes, I think. Thank you, Ate She.
Kasi minsan nag-me time ako, BM. Yung mag-live ako, pero hindi na ako nag-answer ng tungkol sa inyo, tungkol kay Rice. Sa sarili ko lang talaga.
Siyempre naman.
So, nag-chismis sila. Nakikipag ano ko. Wait.
Please, Nita Yebanez. Hello.
Si Maybe International hindi po eh. Hindi pa nakita.
May ayuda na po. I don't know if Papa Jack is the one who controls it. Thank you, Ate She. Thank you so much.
Thanks po.
Ah? I don't know. Hello. What time ka matutulog? I will sleep 1 a.m.
Ikaw pa rin ang
Para,
bimbi ko.
ano,
Ang bimbi ko.
Ako kasi po, I don't like getting oversleep naman.
Pwede pa.
Pag bulaga kasi you can't be oversleepy kasi you have to be quite alert.
Saka na to.
Thank you, Tess.
Ano yung dress mo, babe?
Hi, Lola Wendelin. I don't know.
Deserve mo soda ngayon.
No, I can't. I have to sleep early.
Okay. Ano to? Ito na.
Wally, it's okay.
Ate, anong dessert natin?
Banana.
Hindi, baka yung Ben's cookies. Tingin ng mga sticker.
Sangkis lang. Royal. Ay,
Oh, ang 3
Pwede.
Alis na si Bim.
Pwede. Yes, please.
What time po nagigising si Bim? Kung ano oras ako darating. Pag late po ako, late siya. Charot. Charot lang. Tin, thank you. Oh, share mo naman. Clap mo naman sila, Bim. Clap.
You're a ray of sunshine, Bim. Thank you very much. Ano naman ho na if you're tired, di ba? If wala ka sa mood po, you try your best to smile. Kasi yan yung gamot sa mga problema po.
So ako,
If you're stressed po, just, try your best to smile lang.
tap, tap, tap tayo. Tap, tap, tap. Sticker, sticker, sticker.
From Winnipeg. Watching from Tarlac.
Oh, yan. Sila Fantabio, sila May. O, si Rain. Jack Hay.
I need to shampoo. Naka-pomade po ako eh.
Ang dami kong nilagay, no?
Rockstar.
Ang ngayon ang ano niya eh. Hair and makeup niya ngayon eh. Watching from Egypt. Beep, beep, beep. Ang sabi
Thank you,
na
Ate She.
Egypt.
Okay.
magka-crunchy na lang siguro ito pag nahanap.
Oo. Perfect. Thank you, Ate She. From Riyadh. Oh, I've been wanting to go to Riyadh po. Because a lot of boxing events are there. I think the last event po was Dmitry Bivol versus Beterbiev.
Sino naman yun?
A Russian boxers na magaling talaga.
Thank you, Rain.
Thank you po. Rain.
Rain ba?
Rain or rain. Rain or shine.
Kahit
Ang galing ng boses nila, parang DJ.
Rain or shine. Ma'am Lenny May. And heart send one rose.
Ate She, nakabox yung pinto. Ate, pasara.
Thank you, Ate She.